Hi, welcome to this video where I'll show you how to use mockup files with smart layers. To open the mockup, you can drag and drop it here. The mockup files you can find in the shop have different layers, within which you will find highlights, shadows, the Add Your Design layer, and depending on the file, there will be different background options. First of all, you can check the layers of the file, turn on and off all of them to identify each one. To edit the shadows and highlights, you can adjust the percentage of opacity so you can make the layer darker or lighter. Adjusting this will depend on the colors of your designs, whether they are light or dark. Here you will find the Add Your Design layer. This is a smart object layer that allows you to change the design of the mug easily, and it will adapt to the shape of the mug. To change the design, you need to double-click here and a new tab will open. You can see it here. It's called a PSD file, and this is the file where you have to add your design. Drag and drop your design file and resize it. You can hold the key Shift or Command to keep the ratio. In order for the changes to show up in the main image, these changes must be saved to the PSD file, so go up and hit Save Smart Object and check how your design looks on the mug image. The recommendation is to have your designs ready so you can place them quickly. You can increase the shadows of the mug to get a realistic look. In this file, you will also find a smart layer to add your own background. So double-click on the left square of the layer, the PSD tab opens, and you can add your background here. Let's add a background as an example. Go back to the main file to check how it looks. Also, you'll find a shadow layer for the background. Turn it on or off. You have the option to use it or not. You can change the mug design all the times you need. Once your design looks good on the mug, you can save the file as a PSD or export the image as PNG or JPG file. You can have your image ready to upload to your shop or social media in a few minutes. Let's check another mockup file with Photoshop. This is a full wrap design mockup. If you modify one of the smart layers, the design will change and adapt automatically to all the mug views. You will find independent layers with shadows and highlights for each mug view. All of them are organized by folders. To change the mug's design, double-click on the thumbnail, the PSD window will open, and here you can drag and drop your full wrap design. Resize it, and when it's ready, go back to the PSD file and check how it looks. You can turn your designs on and off for quick viewing and choosing. Photoshop is a web-based graphics editor which can be used for image editing, making illustrations, web design, or converting between different image formats. Once it's ready, export your image as a PNG or JPG file and upload it to your shop. I hope this video is useful to see how fast it's to change the designs in the mockup files and export the images to update your store and social networks. You can send us an email or a message through our website if you have any questions or special requirements.